Okay, we've got a probability question here. We've got 54 fish in a tank, and the probability that a white fish is removed from that tank is 4/9. Work out the number of white fish in the tank. Very simply, the probability of taking a white fish is equal to 4/9 of, and that generally means multiply, 54. And the 9 and the 54 cancel out to leave 6. 4 times 6, 24. And that's your first answer. Okay, let's have a look at part B. Now, some dastardly things have gone on. He puts the fish he took out. Okay, so we're up to the full complement of white and red fish. And he's putting some more fish into the tank. Well, let's call that X. He then takes a fish at random from the tank, and the probability that he now takes a white fish is 1/2. Work out the number of white fish he put into the tank. So the number of white fish, the new number of white fish, is equal to 24 plus X. And the new total is equal to the old total, 54 plus X. So therefore, the new probability of white is the number of white fish divided by the total, and we're told that equals to 1/2. We're going to be cross-multiplying. So this guy gets multiplied by 2. So therefore I can say 48 plus 2x is equal to 54 plus x. This x shifts sides, as does the 48. So therefore I get x is equal to 54 minus 48, and this is equal to 6. And that's your answer.